If you don't have a body oil in your skincare routine, then you are absolutely missing out. So beautiful people, let me show you how to make this very simple natural glow oil so that you don't keep missing out on the benefits of body oils. I have my bottle here which I'll be using to make the oil. You can use any bottle that you have access to, but I'll be using this transparent bottle to make the oil. The first ingredient that I will be using to make this glow oil is my rose petals. Rose petals are rich in vitamin C. They help to smoothen and soften the skin, and it contains some natural oils that help to retain moisture in the skin. Rose petals also have anti-aging benefits, so I'll put them in my bottle. Next, I will be using lavender buds. Lavender buds have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Lavender buds can help with healing the skin, it can help with acne and irritation, and most of all, lavender also has a very nice scent, so it's going to give our oil that nice fragrance. The next herb I will be using to make this glow oil is hibiscus petals. Hibiscus petals is hydrating, it can help with anti-aging, it can stimulate collagen production, and it can help with skin tightening. All these herbs will work wonders on your skin. To infuse my herbs and get my glow oil, I will be using argan oil as my base oil. You can choose to use any other carrier oil of choice like coconut oil, sunflower oil, almond oil. Any carrier oil is fine, but I'm choosing to use argan oil because it's perfect for my skin. So you can choose to use any other oil that your skin loves. So I'll carefully transfer the carrier oil into the herbs until it totally covers all the herbs. Be careful so that you don't spill your oils, and if you are using a jar, this would be way easier for you to do. Now we're going to cover up the oil and leave it in a dark place for it to infuse. You can leave it for up to a week, 2 weeks, a month, or even 3 months. The more you leave it, the richer your oil becomes. Remember to come back to shake daily or at least twice a week. While our oil is infusing, please note that you can purchase all the ingredients used in this video and in all other videos. Just click the link in the description box and you can purchase any one at all. Now back to our glow oil. This oil has been infusing for about a week. Remember, I said you can leave it for as long as possible. At this point, you can now strain out the oil if you want, but I don't like to strain mine out. I like to leave the herbs in the oil while I use it. So now we're going to move on to the next step. Here's my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant. An antioxidant helps to prevent the oils from going rancid. So I'm going to add it into my oils. I'm going to add a few drops of the vitamin E oil into my oil to prevent my oils from going rancid so that my oils don't go bad. Vitamin E oil is more like a preservative but for oils. Our glow oil is now ready. Now this oil is the absolute best. The feel on the skin, oh my god. So this is me applied it on my skin and it felt so amazing. It's so silky, it's so smooth, it absorbs so well, and I really love it. I used every bit of it. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new, and I trust you'll be trying out this recipe. So please, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a beautiful comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye, and see you in my next video.